In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see board owner in Miro. If you've ever needed to confirm who owns a Miro board, for example, to request access, manage permissions, or understand who's responsible for settings, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look. Start by heading to Miro.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct account in Workspace so you're seeing the boards that are relevant to you. If you work with multiple teams, double-check the Workspace switcher in the interface to ensure you're in the right place. Being in the correct workspace matters because ownership is tied to where the board lives. Next, go to the board you want to check. From the dashboard, click into that board so it opens. If you have a lot of content, using the dashboard search or filtering by recent can help you find it faster. Once the board loads, wait a moment for all the top bar options to appear. Those controls are where the ownership information becomes visible. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click the profile icon to open its drop-down menu. Depending on your theme, it may appear as your avatar, initials, or a small user icon. This menu collects account and board context in one place. When you open it while viewing a specific board, Miro typically shows key details tied to that board. Keep your eye out for an ownership label, often displayed as owned by, along with the owner's name. If the interface is updated or your layout is slightly different, the same ownership indicator can appear near the board title or within the top right controls. The important thing is that you're in the board view and checking from the profile menu area in the top right. You should now see the board owner. If the board belongs to you, it will usually indicate that clearly. If someone else owns it, you'll see that person's name. This detail is helpful when you need permission changes, license upgrades, or when you're organizing content and want to know who has ultimate control over the board settings and sharing. A couple of quick tips if you don't see the owner right away. Refresh the page to make sure the latest board data has loaded. Confirm you're in the board itself rather than only on the dashboard. And verify that you're signed in to the correct workspace. Interface designs can evolve, but the ownership label remains available from this top right area. That's it. Go to Miro, open your board, use the profile icon drop down in the top right, and read the ownership label. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.